Hey there, Bex here, and in this episode of Teach What You Love TV, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Canva to record a presentation, slideshow, and with your face on it at the same time. Now, this was a question that I was asked today in the Members Solution Surgery, was how can I present a presentation and record it with myself on the screen at the same time. Now, there's lots of ways in which you can do this. Lots of different software allows you to do it. One of the easiest things is if you are a Canva user, and perhaps you're a Canva Pro user, you can do it in Canva. So you don't even need to download all your slides and all of that nonsense. So you can just literally present from the screen and record at the same time. Now, Canva uses Loom, so you might already be able to use Loom as well. You might have that as an option. But if you don't want to then download your stuff out of Canva, you can just do it within Canva as it stands. So if you click on the present button, so choose your presentation. Obviously it needs to be a presentation style project, but you can then choose either the standard present, set up the speed, present a view, or present and record. So if you click on present and record, click next, it's going to record you while talking over the presentation, and then you can either share the link or you can actually download that recording. So if we click on the recording studio, it's going to ask to set up my camera. Here I am. So you can add your notes in here. So it's going to give you the option to choose which camera you want to use, and it's going to ask you which of your microphones that you want to use, and you just click start recording. It's going to give you a countdown, and there I am over here in the corner, and it's recording this part of the screen. So I can have my notes over here if I need to and see what I'm looking at. Obviously I need to look here. Sorry, I just talked to my microphone then, because I do it all the time. You need to be looking at your camera on your screen, and you can then scroll through your slides at the bottom if you need to see them, and then you can go in here and move along your slides. Okay, so that's super easy to do, and I will end the recording and then I'll show you what it looks like. So when the recording's ready, it's going to give us a link, so anybody can view that. If you copy that link, you can save it and just exit out of this, or you can download it. So I'm going to click download because I'm going to add it into the end of this video so that you can see what it looks like. And there you have it. That's what it looks like from the front end, with your slides taking precedence on the screen and your little head and shoulders in a circle down on the left hand side. So it looks completely different from the back end where you could see the slides and you could see your notes. The front end recording is then just purely your slides and your head. So that is how you can really easily record a slide presentation with your face on it at the same time in Canva. No extra software needed. Simple as that.